To get started with Thinkorswim paper trading, first you need to create an account on the Thinkorswim website. Once your account is set up, you will have access to the Thinkorswim platform where you can navigate to the paper trading section. In the paper trading section, you will find a virtual account that is funded with fake money. This allows you to practice trading without risking any real capital. You can use this account to try out different trading strategies and test your skills in a simulated environment. To place a trade in the paper trading account, you will need to select the asset you want to trade, such as a stock or option, and then choose the type of order you want to place, such as a market order or limit order. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk and potential profit. One of the key features of the Thinkorswim paper trading platform is the ability to analyze your performance using a variety of metrics, such as profit and loss, win-loss ratio, and maximum drawdown. This allows you to track your progress and identify areas for improvement. To get the most out of Thinkorswim paper trading, it is recommended that you start by setting clear goals and objectives for your trading, such as improving your technical analysis skills or developing a consistent trading strategy. You should also practice regularly and consistently, and be willing to learn from your mistakes. Additionally, Thinkorswim offers a range of educational resources, including video tutorials and webinars, that can help you improve your trading skills and get the most out of the paper trading platform. By following these best practices and taking advantage of the features and resources available, you can use Thinkorswim paper trading to improve your trading skills and become a more confident and successful trader.